Now, while I was doing my research for video ideas, I stumbled upon so many of these video topics on YouTube. You are lazy, but ambitious. Watch this. Are you lazy and ambitious? Watch this. There's so many videos talking about women being lazy but rather ambitious, or ambitious but lazy. And it caught my attention because I felt attacked, because I can recall further back a few years ago when I knew I was feeling stuck in my job, in my career, and I wanted more out of life. I know I am ambitious. I've always been ambitious, but I knew that I was not lazy. There are several other factors that were keeping me stuck. And that's why I decided to do this video to address, especially like you, sis, who's watching this video, who are also ambitious, but somehow you are feeling stuck. I just want to reinforce that you are not lazy. There are several other factors going on. And in today's video, we are going to address all those factors that you might be facing, that you might not even be aware of, which is causing you to feel stuck. Not lazy, but stuck. Now, the first one that we're going to address are the signs that you are ambitious, but you are just overwhelmed. You just have too many things going on. You have lots of big ideas, lots of big dreams, lots of big goals, but you have no idea of where to start because you have too much going on. You have a million ideas, but you struggle to finish the one. That's not procrastination. That's passion with no direction, sis. So that's not an excuse to call yourself lazy. You are an ambitious woman who is just overwhelmed with all these ideas that you have in your head. Next sign is that you're constantly helping others, leaving yourself with no time for your dreams. That's not lack of discipline. That's misled energy. You're scattering your energy all over the place, which means you have, when it comes on for you to sit down and focus on your next level of success, your freedom journey, you have no idea where to start because you're too overwhelmed and your energy is zapped all over the place rather than focusing on the next sign that we're going to be talking about is fear. You are experiencing fear. You're ambitious, but you're just fearful of starting that freedom journey. You're just fearful of failure. You're fearful of what others will think about you or say about you when they see you start up a side hustle, when they see you start a YouTube channel, when they see you doing something else, switching up the career, doing something else to reclaim your freedom. You are just sitting in a box and you are just fearful of jumping out of that box. If that's you, let me know in the comment by typing in fear. Now, before we move on to the next sign that you are ambitious and not lazy, if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and subscribe because we're on a journey, a goal of achieving 5K by the end of 2025. And I would love for you to assist me in achieving that goal. Now, the next sign that you are ambitious but not lazy is that you lack confidence. Yes, just as much as you lack the fear to step out of the box to try something else, you are lacking the confidence to do the same. You don't believe that you are enough. You don't believe that you are that woman. You don't believe that you have that special gift to uplift, to motivate others. You don't believe that you have what it takes. Sis, you are a child of God. You have to know who you are and whose you are. You have to be confident enough to make that decision that you want to reclaim freedom. You have to be confident enough that you have everything within you to succeed, to take you to the next level that you want to go. If you're struggling with confidence, I will be doing another video. The next video that I'll be doing is how to increase or boost your confidence. Now, if you have low self-confidence and you're struggling with that, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you will see when that next video drops to help you to boost your confidence because I want to see you win and I want to see you reclaim your freedom journey. Now, the next sign that you are ambitious but you are not lazy is that you are tired, you are burnt out. A lot of ambitious women, we're juggling so much, we're doing so much that when it comes on to doing something else, as I said before, you're overwhelmed, you're drained, you're lacking the energy, you're also burnt out. So you don't have the drive, you don't have the motivation when you get home in the evening to work on to use that 5 to 9 to work on your freedom journey. If you have seen, I'm not sure if you have seen my video that I did of how to stop wasting your evenings. I will link it somewhere up here if you haven't seen it as yet. That's how you can utilize your evenings. But some of us are so burnt out, we're so overwhelmed, we're so drained that when we get home in the evenings, we just crash on the couch because we don't have enough energy, we don't have the motivation, we don't have the drive to try to work on the freedom journey. So now you have to find some time to refuel. And I have created a guide for you. It is the Freedom Over 40 guide. And I'm sure that you will learn something from that guide. I'll leave it in the description so you can go ahead and download it. And this will help you also on your freedom journey. Now, the next sign that you are not lazy, but you are ambitious is a lack of clarity. And sis, I can just relate to this one because I've also struggled with this one. So I know exactly what it feels like to be ambitious, but you're not just clear on what you want. You're not clear on the goals. You're not clear on how to start your freedom journey. As I said before, you have so many different ideas and you don't know which one to start with. You are multi-passionate. You have so many interests. You have so many skills. You have so many gifts. That means you're just scattered all over the place. And I was just like you. I was right there. I know a few years ago, when I wanted to start off in my freedom journey, I had so many different ideas. And because of that, I delved into so many different things. I started the book, I wrote the book, I started e-commerce store. I became a mortgage agent, became a real estate agent, started YouTube, started life coaching. I was all over the place. Even now, when you look on this YouTube channel, you'll see the different playlists and the different things that I had going on this YouTube channel. I think right now I'm a little bit more focused and a little bit more clear because you have to start doing something. You have to start messy. You have to just start. What if I had waited to start something? What if I had waited to start my freedom journey like now? I would not have the experience of what it is like to write your own book, what it is like to start a YouTube channel, what it is like to be a mortgage agent. So at times, we need that clarity and we need to remove the fear of starting something new, fear of what other people will think, and build the confidence to just start. Now, from doing all those different things, no, I am super clear on what I want, what I like, what does not serve me, what does not serve my long-term goal, what does not align with my freedom goal, with my freedom journey. And now I can be focused and say that, you know what? Life coaching is what I enjoy doing. Life coaching, motivating, empowering women is my gift and my skill. That's what I'm good at. That's what I'm passionate about. And that's what I enjoy doing. Now, if you need some clarity, go ahead and download that guide that I've created for you. It gives you an opportunity to book a call with me so we can have a discussion and I can help you to be clear, achieve that clarity. Because sis, I don't want you to brand yourself anymore that you are lazy, because you're not. You are an ambitious woman and I want you to claim that. Now, let's look at some mindset shifts that you need to take to reclaim your power and to remove the thought of being lazy rather than ambitious. Now, step one, you're going to shift your mindset from doing more to doing what matters. Now, in order to do this, you're going to ask yourself, what will move the needle closer to the life that you want to live? What are some of the things you can be doing or you could be doing now that would take you a little step closer to achieving that goal? Think about it and journal, brain dump. This will also give you some clarity, getting stuff off of your mind, you can eliminate and prioritize what are the things that are going to help you to achieve your goal, or what are the things that are just wasting your time, sucking your energy, and having you distracted from your freedom journey. Step 2, you're going to shift from self-judgment to self-compassion. You're going to tell yourself that you are allowed to evolve and take breaks at the same time during the process. In my Thrive formula, I always emphasize visiting rest stops, meaning we take rest stops along the journey. If you're going on a long distance ride, do you think that you can drive for 16 hours from Canada to Atlanta, or 23 hours from Canada to Florida without stopping and taking a rest stop? That's similar for us, ambitious women who are going on our success journey. We have to stop. We have to take breaks, and we have to do things that refuel us. Just as how you're going to stop at the gas station to refuel, get some more gas, get some more fuel in your tank, you have to find some way of things that will refuel your tank along the journey of success and along reclaiming your freedom journey. And lastly, step 3, you're going to shift from chaos to clarity. Remember, I said you're overwhelmed. You have too many things going on in your head. That is chaos, sis. That's just too much chaos going on. You need to be as crystal clear as possible so that you can focus on that one thing, right? So plan, get help. If you want to have a chat with me, as I said, download the Freedom Guide, Freedom Over 40, and you'll get an opportunity to have a clarity discussion with me. But you need to get clear and out of that chaos. You are not behind. You are not lazy. You are an ambitious woman. And it's time to honor that ambition with alignment and not burnout. Now, as usual, if this message spoke to your soul, hit the like button, share it with another ambitious woman, and thank you for sticking around. And go ahead and check out this video right here of how you can stop wasting your life. Life is short. Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.